The deep ocean. It's this incredible realm of perpetual twilight, a place that feels almost magical, holding secrets we are only just beginning to unravel. Seriously, think about it. For centuries, stories have been spun about colossal monsters lurking in these abyssal depths. Creatures that have slipped into myth and legend. Among all these tales, one creature stands out above the rest, the giant squid, known scientifically as Architeuthis dux. This behemoth of the dark has haunted the imaginations of sailors and storytellers alike for generations. You can just picture it, can't you? A creature so massive and mysterious, it sends shivers down your spine. But despite its legendary status, this giant squid has remained frustratingly elusive, like a ghost in the machine of the deep sea. Direct observations of this magnificent creature have been fleeting, often yielding only brief, blurry glimpses, or, sadly, the tragic discovery of specimens washed ashore. We've seen its remains. We've found its beak in the stomachs of sperm whales, its only known predator. Yet to see one alive in its natural habitat in all its glory, that's been the holy grail for marine biologists, until now that is. Our team is aboard the research vessel Abyss Explorer, and let me tell you, this place is something else. We're positioned over one of the deepest oceanic trenches in the world, and our mission, it's ambitious, some might even say impossible, to capture the first ever high-definition footage of a living giant squid. Can you feel the excitement? Now let's talk about the conditions we're facing. Pressure here is immense, over 100 times that at the surface. The temperature, just a few degrees above freezing. It's an environment that feels more alien than the surface of the moon, and it's both thrilling and a little intimidating. Our primary tool for this mission is the Argus, a state-of-the-art submersible camera system. It's designed to withstand these crushing depths and, fingers crossed, to be unobtrusive enough not to scare away the very creature we're hoping to film. For days we've been sending the Argus down, sweeping through the blackness, searching for this elusive phantom. The waiting game is a test of patience, a slow descent into a world filled only with the quiet hum of machinery and the endless dark. Look at this. The Argus is now descending past 2,000 meters. On the monitor, we see a blizzard of marine snow, a constant rain of organic particles from the sunlit world far above, providing sustenance for the creatures that call this dark place home. It's a strangely beautiful, silent storm, you know? The only light comes from our own submersible, casting a soft blue glow that cuts a narrow path through the infinite black. Every flicker, every shadow plays tricks on the eyes. Is that a rock formation or something more? Tension on the bridge is palpable. Every member of the crew is glued to the screens, our collective breath held in anticipation. We're explorers in an unknown territory, and we have no idea what we'll find. The deep keeps its secrets well. We're using a specially designed lure, an electronic jellyfish called the E-jelly, which mimics the bioluminescent distress signals of a common deep-sea jellyfish. It's like a dinner bell for large predators, and we're hoping it'll work its magic. For hours, this little gadget has pulsed its hypnotic light into the void, a lonely beacon in the abyss. We've seen small fish dart in and out of the light, but nothing of the scale we're looking for. The ocean is vast, and our camera is just a tiny pinprick within it. The odds are astronomically against us, and we've run this protocol countless times on previous expeditions. It's a game of persistence, a battle of wills against the sheer, overwhelming emptiness of the deep. But every mission holds the promise of discovery, the chance to peel back one more layer of mystery. Wait, hold on. There's movement on the edge of the frame. Something large. It's not a fish. It's not a rock. It's drifting. The motion is slow, deliberate. Could this be it? Bridge falls silent. The only sound now is the quiet whir of the data recorders. The shape is indistinct at first, a pale form materializing from the darkness. As it drifts closer into the Argus's lights, its form begins to take shape. It's a tentacle, a massive, thick arm, adorned with a row of suckers, each the size of a dinner plate. Just imagine that. This is the moment we've been waiting for, the stuff of legends right before our eyes. The excitement is electric, and you can feel the energy in the air as we all lean in closer, trying to absorb every detail of this breathtaking sight, and then another and another. These tentacles are incredibly long, weaving through the water with this eerie, hypnotic grace that just pulls you in. Our hearts are pounding. This is it. This is undeniably it. We're looking at the arm of a giant squid, and let me tell you, it's absolutely surreal. Slowly, majestically, the creature fully enters the light. And wow, the sight is breathtaking, totally exceeding all our expectations. This is a true giant of the deep. The mantle, the main body, is like a torpedo of powerful muscle, easily several meters long, glowing with this ghostly, pearlescent sheen that makes it look otherworldly. You can't help but be awed by it. Two enormous fins at the back rippled gently, propelling it through the water with this silent, effortless power. It's like watching a ballet unfold right before our eyes. Its 8 arms and 2 longer feeding tentacles drift around it like a silken shroud, creating this mesmerizing display that feels almost like magic. The suckers, which we've only ever seen on dead specimens before, are here seen alive, rimmed with a pale bioluminescent blue that just adds to the whole ethereal vibe. This creature is a biological marvel, an apex predator perfectly adapted to this extreme world. The sheer scale of it is difficult to process. It's not just a large animal, it's an entity, a presence that commands the abyss. You can feel the power radiating from it, and it's both thrilling and a little terrifying. And then it turns. The creature rotates its entire body to face our camera. For the first time, we see its eye. Oh man, it's colossal. The largest eye in the animal kingdom, the size of a human head, and it's looking right at us. The pupil is this huge, dark void, and the iris reflects our lights back with a startling, intelligent-seeming reddish-gold gleam. It's as if it's peering into our souls. There's no fear in its gaze, only what appears to be curiosity. It's an ancient, calculating gaze, and this moment is going to be etched in the history of science. We're making eye contact with a creature of legend, and it feels like we're crossing some kind of boundary between our world and its. This connection is profound, spanning millions of years of evolution, a meeting of 2 worlds that were never meant to intersect. The squid is assessing our submersible, its brain, the most complex of any invertebrate. Processing this strange, new object in its domain. It's like it's trying to figure us out, and honestly, it's kind of mind-blowing. Now, it's approaching the camera. The movement is so fluid, so controlled, it extends one of its long feeding tentacles towards the Argus. We can see the fine detail now, the musculature under the skin. The way the chromatophores, those pigment cells, flash and shimmer, changing its color in a subtle, mesmerizing display. It's like it's putting on a show just for us. The power contained in this animal is immense. As one of its main arms brushes past the camera's lens, the entire submersible rig shudders slightly. You can almost feel the water vibrating with its proximity. This isn't just a passive observer. It's a powerful hunter, a titan of the deep, and it's both terrifying and magnificent at the same time. The raw, untamed power of nature is on full display, and we're completely at its mercy, tiny intruders in its kingdom. The squid circles the Argus, examining it from all angles. Its intelligence is so obvious. This isn't the mindless monster of fiction. This is a highly evolved, curious animal exploring its environment. It seems to be investigating the Ijali lure, its tentacles gently probing the space around it, almost like it's playing with us. The way it moves is a ballet of controlled strength, a perfect fusion of grace and lethality. For what feels like an eternity, but is likely only a few minutes, we are privileged witnesses to this incredible encounter. It's like we're part of something truly special, capturing data that scientists will study for decades, rewriting what we know about this enigmatic species. Every second it stays in the light is a gift, a priceless glimpse into a world that has been hidden from us since the dawn of time. And just as suddenly as it appeared, its curiosity seems satisfied. With a final slow undulation of its fins and a powerful yet graceful flick of its tentacles, the giant squid turns away from our light. It melts back into the darkness from which it came, leaving us in awe. The massive form dissolves into a faint silhouette, then a suggestion of movement, and then nothing. It's gone. The screen is once again filled with the gentle flurry of marine snow, as if the entire encounter was a dream. The bridge erupts in a hushed, reverent cheer. We did it! We found the ghost of the abyss. The camera signal begins to distort slightly, a reminder of the extreme environment we're in. But it doesn't matter. We have the footage. For the first time, the myth has become reality. and the deep ocean has shared one of its most profound secrets with us. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. We're so excited to share more adventures with you. Follow our channel for updates from the Abyss Explorer, because who knows what other wonders await us in the depths of the ocean.